Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today's video I'm going to show you guys another influencer unboxing video. And if you guys know, if you already know, Influenster is basically a brand that helps you get free products. So all you have to do is share a review or tell them what you like about the product or didn't like about the products, and you'll be able to get chosen to receive free products. Now I do this every time I get something. I always want to show you guys, just so you guys will be able to get these products complimentary just for becoming a Influenster member. And also sign up is also free, so I would definitely leave that link for Influenster to sign up down below. Now let's already make this quick because I kind of want to show you guys what's already in this box, so let's get to it. Alright, so it's a beautiful yellow box that has Influencer on it and fragile liquid. So you already know, handle with care. Something good must be in here. Okay, so oh, look at that. So of course, every time you open up your Influencer box, you get a couple info cards telling you about the social media sites, telling you about the websites and the brands. This is the Fall Prep Vox box review. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and see what's in here. And of course, you get the info card, which has the social media sites on there and the websites, and then all of this stuff that's on here, which is you can't see yet, so just wait. So let me go ahead and see the first thing I see in here. So the first thing I see is this OxiClean, which is good because your girl just moved and I need to buy some more detergent, you know what I'm saying? So you never can have too much, you know. So this is the OxiClean versatile odor and stain remover with odor blasters. So bam. So this is basically especially formulated for use on your smelly socks, your musty towels, work, and uniform smells. Cause I know y'all be working hard out there. Y'all be sweating through them uniforms. I be noticing. So get you some of this, and sweat stains and body odor. So I'm gonna try this for you guys also on camera. So okay, and then we have one more from OxiClean. So this is also the OxiClean for Dark Protect laundry booster. So this is basically gonna help you protect your dark fabrics, like your jeans, your dark denims, if you have like black sweats, whatever, just like your darker clothing. This is basically gonna help them, because I know some clothing fades. Okay, a product that does not fade your clothing is a must. Okay, so this is the Dark and Protect. So I'm also gonna try this as well because I want you guys to see just how good it's gonna work. Okay, so let's see. And also works with your detergent to help keep your black and dark clothes from fading and peeling. So that's good. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is take my sweats and stuff, because y'all know it's Taco Tuesday and I decided to get some tacos, and it was a little greasy and a little juicy. So I'm glad that I got this because this will be perfect for stain removing. So I'm just gonna throw these in the washing machine, and then I'm gonna show you guys if it really works. So I'm gonna put it to the test and see if it really takes out the stains. Alright, and also flu season is getting a little chilly outside depending where you are. I'm in California, so it starts to get a little chilly out here. So you always gotta make sure you're getting your vitamins. And now we got a Sundown Organics non-GMO Well Women's Multi-Once Daily Vitamins. I needed that. You can never have too many vitamins. You probably can't have, but make sure you're taking these, okay? The good thing is these are organic, like I said, and non-GMO, made from 100% sugarcane fibers, eliminates wood-based processes, renewable resource, removes carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. What do you know? Who would have thought that vitamins remove carbon dioxide from the atmosphere? That's what I'm talking about, okay? So this is your vitamins right here. And I'm opening for y'all a little bit, okay? Just want to tell you guys, this is the Sundown Women's Organic Multivitamins. Support your overall well-being with a comprehensive formula that supplies 14 key nutrients and more. Just take one a day. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay. And this is it right here. And this is it right here. Quite a bit in there. How much we got? 30 tablets. Alright. That's good. And also, you know, it's getting a little cold outside as well. So, you know, we're bundling up. We're trying to get real warm. And you still need to smell good. You still need to throw on your deodorant, your colognes and stuff. Because just because you have jackets and hoodies on doesn't mean you shouldn't smell good while in them. You know what I'm saying? So look what they included, okay? I always wanted to try this perfume. I seen Zendaya advertising it, and I was like, let me go ahead and try it, because I'm also looking for a signature perfume right now. Like I have some like well, I have some like Michael Kors and this other one, which smells amazing. I think it's like Flower Bomb or something, or this YSL one. No, yeah, it is YSL. But this one from Lancome, look at this cute little bottle. This is the sample size, but this is the Lancome Idole. I'ma butcher it, but hey, Eau de Perfume. Fresh floral fragrance with notes of rose, jasmine, white musk. Ooh, ooh, and also if this smells amazing, they also included a 20% off code, so you can buy the full size product. How amazing! How amazing! So this is a cute little bottle. Look at that. Look at that. This is so cute. And then all you have to do is snap that top off. Ooh, this is cute. And you literally just dab it on. I need a little bit more today, so. Oh, this actually smells really good. Like I just jumped in a big old field of roses. Like this smells so good. Like it smells so good. Hold on. It's not too flowery. It's not, you don't get that alcoholic smell that you smell sometimes with perfumes and stuff. But it's actually really perfect. And since I like it, I'm gonna go ahead and use my 20% off coupon and get a full size product. So with that being said, that is unfortunately all the things that I got in my influencer unboxing. But if you're wondering, if you're still wondering, how can you get all of these products for free, complimentary of Influenster? Well, all you have to do is sign up here. Sign up here, and I'll also leave it in the description box. All you have to do is sign up. Tell them what kind of stuff that you like. They have all types of stuff. They have dog stuff. They have house stuff, grow plant stuff, clothes, just all types of stuff. You will definitely find stuff that you like. So go ahead and check that out. And that's pretty much it for this video. And thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Woo, all these products for free. Boom. Bye now.